Hi, I'm David Birch. Welcome back to the Seated Tai Chi Challenge. Today we're going to cover the in, out breathing pattern. That is where you inhale again, and you exhale with a sigh of relief. Now this is called the physiological sigh or cyclic breathing in some studies. And in a recent Stanford study, this breathing technique beat other breathing techniques out in the category of being able to rapidly relieve stress and anxiety. And that is because exhaling through the mouth with a sigh mimics the body's natural mechanism to reduce stress and increase oxygen whenever it needs to. Please follow me as I guide you through 3 rounds of the physiological sigh or cyclic breathing. We inhale again, sharply, completely, and then exhale with a sigh of relief, relaxing. Inhale again, exhale, breathing in again, and exhale. Now they have found through studies that just 1 to 3 of these can start to balance out your nervous system. So this is a pattern that you can use anytime, any place, on the go with an inhale again, and an exhale. Now in the study they did it for 5 minutes at a time. So that would be, instead of more like 3 reps, maybe closer to 30. So you'd go inhale, exhale, maybe 30 times. And there is a Qigong practice like this as well. It's called Shi Shi Hu breathing, in, out breathing. And in Qigong, we link our breath to our motion with a relaxed and focused mind. So we would inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. In, out. In, out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now let's use this mindful movement in our practice routine. We're in our sanctuary, got a nice and sturdy chair. We've made an agreement what we're going to do if we're interrupted. We have a relaxed and focused mind. Our breaths are slow and deep. Our posture is ergonomic. And we relax from head to toe, softening the front of the body. And we relax from head to toe, settling the back of the body. Release internal pressure with a sigh of relief. Add positive emotional content. Smile from your heart. And begin lifting palms up, inhale, lift palms up again, inhale again, and exhale, palms down. And then let go. Come back to your seated position and relax the body. Release any tension. Body scan again, releasing any tension, softening, letting the body drift. And just let everything settle. And just sit here for a second or two, for a moment or so. And when you're ready, rub your hands together briskly. Dry wash your face. Self-applied massage.